Hi, in this video I would like to show you how to connect Philips NeoPix projector to the Wi-Fi network and to the internet. It's very simple. All you need to do is to click home button on the projector's remote. Then in the main menu go to settings. Go to Wi-Fi settings, then enable Wi-Fi needs to be on, and enter screen mirroring settings. And there click on the Wi-Fi network icon, and there you have all the Wi-Fi networks available at this moment. Choose your home network, enter your password, and it's all. Your Philips NeoPix projector will be connected to the internet. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel.